Hello and welcome back to our channel, English with Jenna Andrew. I'm Drew. No.
I'm Drew, she's Jen, and we are going to be taking you through a packing video before we go on our first international trip. Not our first international trip ever.
Our first international trip since moving to Spain. So this is a good opportunity to go over some English vocab on clothing and travel, and let us know if you learn anything new.
So this weekend we will be traveling to Marseille, France. This will be our second time in France. We went to Paris back in 2019 when we were studying in Madrid, but we're very excited to see a different city in France.
So, according to the weather, this weekend is going to be a little bit cool. There may be some rain, so we are going to pack accordingly.
So, to start, we have one small North Face bag. This looks giant on camera.
It does, it's really not that big.
It's really not that big. It is
medium-sized?
But it's a pretty good sized bag.
Wow, you are really repping North Face.
Yeah, sponsor us, please. Anyway, to save money, we like to pack together, especially since we're only going to be going for 3 days and only one full day. So, this is perfect for both of us.
So this is one carry-on duffel bag. Duffel bag. We call bags like this duffel bags. Ones without wheels and they're softer duffel bags.
Duffel bag.
To start, we usually have half and half. I have one side, Andrew has another side. For tomorrow, I am going to be wearing pants and a blouse. And for Saturday, I will be packing jeans, a belt, and a sweater to be a little bit warmer. I will also be bringing my nice fluffy jacket to stay warm, and Andrew has the exact same jacket. So we will be matching. And for Sunday, since it is another travel day, I'm wearing comfy pants and a t-shirt. And you cannot pack for a trip without your pajamas. So I'm packing pajamas, and these particular ones have wiener dogs on them. I love wiener dogs. And that's it for me.
For tomorrow, I will be wearing my Photopexy jacket, which is nice and cozy and definitely matches Jenna's. And the pair of pants that I have on right now, which are just these pair of pants. But on Saturday, I will be wearing this vest. This is a vest.
No sleeves.
Also on Saturday, I will be wearing a pair of pants and not going naked. And I have the choice between a long sleeve shirt, like this, or I will be wearing a polo. And I have some nice thick winter socks, some regular socks, like high cruise socks, and some ankle socks, just in case, but I don't think I'm going to wear these. And of course, boxers. These are very important. Please wear underwear. But yeah, that's it.
And then we will pack tomorrow morning our toiletries. So our toothbrush, hairbrush, toothpaste, face wash, lotion, etc. As well as I just wear whatever jewelry, such as necklaces, on the plane, so I don't pack any.
We try to wear as much as possible on the plane, especially if it's going to be a cold country, because the last thing we want is to pack our big jackets.
In this trip, we are only bringing jackets and not coats. So coats are heavier and warmer and thicker, but these jackets are very light and you can roll them up. So when we take weekend trips, we bring one pair of shoes, which we also wear on our feet for the flight, and we're good. We make sure to wear closed-toed shoes that are comfortable walking shoes, so pretty much tennis shoes every time, which, you know, doesn't make you look super stylish, but comfort over looks. We walk a lot when we travel.
Yeah, and we're not trying to look good for anybody except ourselves.
And the channel. No. Also, we bring 2 backpacks with our personal items and electronics, and I bring one small purse. But yes, that's everything. We're gonna pack everything up and get ready for the trip. We hope this helped you and you learned a new vocab word or two. And if you did, let us know in the comments below.
And also let us know what videos you want to see from us, because we are working on some new videos and we'd love to hear from you. So, Cheers.